In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add someone or a member on ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, go to the top right to access your profile, and from the drop-down menu, click on Settings. On the next window, go to the left panel and click on People. And as you can see, this is where you can search and invite new members by email. So, for example, I'm going to add a new email and click right here on Invite People. Then enter the email or the person that you want to add. So, let's add, for example. Now, you have the option to invite this new member either as a member, a limited member, a guest, or an admin. You can even add a custom role right here. But to do that, you have to have access to the Business Plus account on ClickUp. Okay? So once you've inputted the correct email, simply click on Send Free Invite. And then we're just gonna have to wait for this new member to accept on his Gmail account. And that's it. So, if you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.